from musketeers. Today I am going to do white kidney beans. Chapati curry. White kidney beans look like this. Now I am going to cut and show you. You should show the white kidney beans for 3 hours. Soak the kidney beans after 3 hours. They look as this, and we should boil the kidney beans. Now we will boil the kidney beans in cooker. Let the cooker boil 3 whistles. For 3 whistles. The ingredients for the curry: 1 cup of chopped onion, half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of red chili powder, chopped tomato, chili, few coriander leaves, few turmeric, oil. The boiled white kidney beans in a bowl. Let's start the curry. First on the stove and keep the bowl and keep in sim and let it heat for some time. First we should add little oil. Now we should add the turmeric. And we should see, now we should add chili with, we should have curry leaves and chili. Add the onion. Add little bit turmeric powder. See, you can understand that became gold. Now we should add tomato. Beans. And again we should add little bit water. Nothing much. Add the water, the wind didn't come any sound. Red chili powder from yellow. And garam masala. 2. And the salt should be stick. We should keep completely and we should turn. It is burning. Let it cook for 10 minutes. We will add coriander leaves. And we should turn the white kidney beans. Now I am adding lemon water. When you are interested to add lemon water, you can add or not. That is not a magnet. I am adding the lemon water for the taste. Done with the curry. Now I am going to taste with the chapati. Let me see how it looks. See the chapati with curry. You can see this is a white bean. Now let me taste it. Very nice. Taste was very but little spicy. Hope you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel to get more updates from 5plus1 musketeers by cooking from Vivek. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.